The quest to ensure that contractors are properly inducted led Cemex UK's team at Attenborough near Nottingham to come up with an innovative mini checklist worn on a contractor's armband.
We looked at this in the first place because we felt it was a quick and inexpensive idea, and it would make site staff aware that the contractor has been inducted by management. We identified the danger because as sites get bigger and bigger, we felt there was more and more entrances, and they were concerned that contracts would come onto site without being properly inducted by the management. I think the wider use in any industry can use this, and it identifies that people are authorised to carry out work on their site, office, factory environment. Everyone feels that it's a really good idea, and that we've had some good feedback from contractors and staff, and that now Cemex are looking at rolling it out.
Ensuring rapid repair of vandalised fencing was an important issue facing Hanson at its extensive Merchiston sand and gravel quarry in Derbyshire. The solution lay in using GPS to monitor its 7-mile boundary.
This idea was developed because of problems that other sites had had with people trespassing, children in school holidays hurting themselves, and I was very much concerned that I didn't have any way of definitively knowing that my fences were all intact, and certainly no way of proving that they were all intact. It works in practice by having an experienced contractor come to site, and I hand him the GPS units. He will then walk around site taking photos of any breaches in the fences or perimeter that he may see. The GPS unit will log the location of all of those photos, making it very easy to get a fencing contractor to go straight to where a problem is and fix that.
The other great benefit of the system is that it eliminates a lone working issue because the location of the person doing the monitoring can be tracked constantly.
This system has a massive potential for wider use around the industry. There are so many quarries, open or closed, that are an attractive place for people to trespass. And this is an excellent way of knowing that your sites are secure.
Keeping the workforce safe on road projects, especially at night, is the top priority for Colas. But sometimes the huge flashing lights at the rear of cone-laying vehicles aren't enough, and this is what happens. On that occasion, the crew working with the vehicle managed to jump clear, but incidents of that type have persuaded Colas that it needs to do more. It is with that aim that it has turned to a special traffic safety system.
The system utilises Bosch's analytics to detect vehicles approaching the IPV from behind, so that when the vehicles are approaching and they get a little bit too close to the vehicle, it sets off an alarm. This will set off the lights on the back of the unit, which are a different colour and frequency, so this is more obvious and different to the standard orange flashing lights. And then if it gets even closer and it's still in the danger zone, it will set off a sounder for the guys to then alert them to get off the vehicle as quick as possible.
No one should come to work really thinking they might not go home at the end of the day. We take our responsibilities, and it's on our conscience that we make it a safe place to work, while you are out there maintaining that network for us.